Excellency, the Japanese Ambassador to Fiji, Excellency Fumihiro, Dr. Baitani from UNICEF, and also Dr. Ali from WHO. On behalf of the Honorable Prime Minister of the Fijian government and the people of Fiji, we would like to thank you, sir, and thank the government of Japan for this provision of 56,000 doses of the vaccine, AstraZeneca, made in Japan. Through the kindness and generosity of the people of Japan and the government of Japan of 3 million doses that you've distributed to many nations around the world. This is very useful for us. It is a vaccine that we are currently using, and our staff and our cold chain is knowledgeable of what needs to be done in terms of our deployment. But more importantly, at the moment we have more than 90% of our population that have been vaccinated with the first dose, and we began the important task of the second dose of vaccination, and at the moment is about 40%. So this will be very useful in our being able to meet our targets in terms of the population, but more importantly in ensuring that our people are fully vaccinated. I'm also grateful for the many ways in which the government of Japan has been supporting us, not only for COVID, but also for the other areas, including technical support and training through JICA. Some of the staff that are leading the charge have had the opportunity to have had placements with JICA training in Japan, and the equipment and the consumables that you supported us with. I'd also like to thank UNICEF that we're able to utilize their pathways to be able to bring the vaccines to Fiji. Again, thank the many funders of COVAX and also Japan. So we are actually being supported two ways through the government of Japan, through this bilateral donation, but also through the COVAX facility, which the government of Japan supports. And also thank WHO, who's been a very important partner in our COVID-19 response. So once again, sir, on behalf of the people of Fiji, the Fijian government, we'd like to thank the people and the government of Japan, and would like to also congratulate the government of Japan for the successful holding of the Olympics in these challenging times. And we wish the people and the government of Japan all the best.
Thank you very much for especially Honorable Minister. I'm very pleased to present here today on behalf of the people and the government of Japan at the 9th Pacific Leaders meeting held on 2nd July this year. Prime Minister, or Japanese Prime Minister Suga, announced that Japan intended to provide a total of approximately 3 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines to formerly island countries. Based on this commitment, Japan has decided to provide 56,000 doses of vaccines to Fiji, as Japan highly values the long-standing friendship between the two countries. Today, I'm really happy to be able to realize the commitment, our Prime Minister's commitment. So I'm confident that successful vaccination of the people will not only help Fijians stay safe from COVID-19, but also build a pathway to the emergence of livelihood, increase of employment, and broader economic recovery of Fiji. So I'm really happy today. Thank you very much.